corned beef and cabbage, Jamaican style. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. Okay, now everyone, we're gonna make some steamed cabbage with corned beef for dinner today and some nice rice. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Here we're going in with all our spice and seasoning. Give me 1 second. So we are fry up with seasoning with spice right now and get all that flavor nice and neat. Now for the cabbage, some people like to cut up all of this into the cabbage and just put everything together into the pot. I like to give it a little saute first. Okay, so we're gonna make this one fry up and we'll soon come back. Okay, so now everyone, this is what we're going to do. Remember, with cabbage, well wash, cut up and wash. So we're going to put our cabbage into our pot. Now remember, you don't want too much cabbage so it overpower your corned beef. Okay, my people? So that's about it. And now we're going to add in with carrot. I don't know if you don't want to put any carrot, that's fine, it can be optional. And I'm going to add a little corn. Maybe 2 handfuls. And there we have it. We're going to make this steam down right now. We're going to put some season. So soul food season. About a tablespoon of soul food season. Alright. And that's alone me I use right now. We're going to make him go and steam down right now. And then when we are going to put in the corned beef, we are come right back. Don't go anywhere, my people. So now everyone, at this moment, we're going to go in with our corned beef. Just like that. Remember, like I said, this is cabbage and corned beef. Okay, now we're going to mash out this right into our cabbage. So now there we have it, everyone. Everything mash out and portion out like that. Okay, everything is spread right across. So this is it, cabbage and corned beef. Quick and simple and very, very easy. Nice, tastes good, look good, smell good, everything about this is good. Okay, cabbage and corned beef, Jamaican style. So now here we go, everyone. Now don't forget, this is from my kitchen, straight on your table. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so very much for watching.